All right, folks, welcome to my channel. I'm going to review this here Solo Stove. It's called a Mesa. It's the smaller one that I got to see how it works. I think it's a fantastic little tabletop fire pit. So let's get to it. It comes with this little bag here, and you see me opening it up to reveal the contents of the bag. The smaller one is about 5 inches in diameter by 7 inches tall, and they call it the Mesa XL, is 7 inches in diameter, about 8.5 inches tall. I have a very small table I sit at, so I chose the smaller one. You can see the little stand that comes in. You can pick your colors too, the color options. I picked this color. That's the fire ring. And now we're going to get to the wood that you can also purchase separately on Amazon. This kit comes with these Solo Stove fire starters. I think there's 14 in there, and it comes in with a box of wood pre-cut, and it comes with a little carrying case. You can actually take the wood out of the box and put it into the carrying case. That's about the size of the wood right there. So let's go check it out. All right, I got my wood. I got my fire starter. Here we go. I'm gonna get this thing going here. First you do the fire starter. Get this going. And we dump this in the center here once it gets going. Now we're ready to put the wood in. And as a great Indian chief, Morningwood, once said, "You cannot make him fire if wood is not upright." And that's the key. That's where they got the whole teepee idea from, I guess. And then you just put these pieces in here, the teepee fashion, upright position, and let them catch. And this thing will just keep burning. It's a beautiful, nice flame. And when it gets low, you just throw in another piece of wood. And that's it. We'll let it run for a little bit. Then I'll put this on time lapse, hopefully, so you can get the idea of how it burns. Then once you feel that the fire is getting a little bit too low, or before it goes completely out, you can add another piece of wood to it to keep it going nice and strong. They also sell some tools for this way you don't burn your fingers, that help you poke the wood around. I would recommend that as well. That's about it. You can burn it for as long as you want. 10 minutes, an hour, it's up to you. Beautiful flame, no smoke, throws off heat. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this video.